Alright, let's take it up one last time here. What's your name?
Scotty.
Scotty, alright, Scotty.
Take some pictures of that.
Yeah, just go up into that. Oh yeah, there's a bell.
Yeah, sure is. How many years has it been since that's rung?
We ring it all the time, every Sunday.
You do?
Every Sunday. You get a little bit closer.
Get closer?
Yeah. I think this bell was installed in 1922. It was a bell fire or a steeple fire here in 1895, and they put a new one in. I think there's a date on here somewhere, 1922. So,
wow,
pretty cool. Got a little graffiti in there. Lewis Petty.
Lewis Petty.
Not sure who that was. Anyway,
there's Jake Hart, 1944. Jake Hartman, 1944.
That's fun.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll look around Bowling Green.
Go up more?
No, I'm gonna shoot some pictures here too.
Okay.
Anyway.
Let me get out of your way.